This was given to me by the seller for my consideration. Now, everything that you need to put it together, it comes inside the box, including the one tool that I put all this stuff together. Now, at first I was a little bit intimidated, but it only took me about a half hour to put everything together. And, oh, don't throw away the box, because the box comes in handy when you are installing the hardware on the bottom of the chair. So overall, it was really easy to install. And I'm pretty proud of myself for doing such a stellar job. So this is a solid chair. It's made out of fabric on the arms and fabric on the seat, so it's really breathable. You can adjust the height very easily with that lever there. And you can also adjust the lumbar support. The chrome detailing makes it look really modern and sleek. It does rotate completely around 360 if you're into spinning. And the arms lift for easy exit and entry if desired. The foam in the chair is nice and sturdy. Overall, it's very comfortable, easy setup. I like it. I think you will too.